little bit more of apples, but I could not buy a lot as you know apples here in Philippines is quite expensive. So I just bought as you know it's not that much, but yeah, at least I have something I can use. Because he said it's not enough the 3 pieces that is before I only tried it to do it. So he said it's not enough the 3 pieces, so I buy a little bit more. So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy this video, guys. So yeah. I am wearing my flip-flop slipper to come here. Actually, I don't walk. I ride the tricycle, then um, tuk-tuk, and jeep. It's quite a little bit, quite far when you walk. It's especially now here. It's quite so hot here in the Philippines. That's why I don't usually go out. But only I do it today because you know I have a request here in my YouTube. That is why I come out, and yeah, so let's do it, guys. So my friend is still not here. She's in the Lunita Park. She ride the joyride, the motor. But she's tell to that motorcycle that is here in Rizal, but the motor, the driver drop here in the Lunita Park. So I told her it's still quite far. You need to walk a little bit more. So yeah, I hope it's here soon. But actually, before she came, she told me she want to help me to hold my camera. So he said but actually I don't need somebody to help me to hold my camera as I have a full selfie stick with me, so I just use my selfie stick to hold my camera. So this floor is not totally flat, so I need to be careful, guys, because it's just wrong mode of mine. I'm going to feel in this floor, so yeah, I will just do it slowly for you. Okay. So yeah, guys, do it slowly. Oh my God, what is falling along? Oops. People mobbing. There you go. Oh my God, what drop? I'm not good. I'm not really good on crazy. I'm not a good shooter. Yeah, it's just crazy. Oh, nice. So look at that. Woo. 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 One drop. Oh, there you go. Ah. Here, guys. So slow. Sensitive I do it like that, guys, you know. But if I use the pointed heels, it's like too long time. Ah, see, I cannot. I cannot swing it. Ah, look at that. There you go. But if I use this one, guys, it's very easy to smash it. But if I use the pointed heels, it's too long time. Ah, there you go. Ah. I will learn now. I cannot. See you guys.